Hello everybody, this is Dr. Sten and this is Coach Tiff. We're here from Southern Oregon doing our social distancing during the COVID-19. I wanted to come with you, being a healthcare professional, hearing some points from a physician, an ER doctor actually in New York City, who's actually in a COVID-19 hospital. He said these guidelines are really what they're finding out, so I wanted to pass them on to you to help you stay safe. The first contact is the hands. Everything we do is touching with our hands. But this is not where it gets into our body, where he says the problem is, as we know now, is touching our face, any kind of eyes, nose, mouth, mucous membrane kind of thing. That is where a lot of the virus is contracted. And so wearing gloves to protect our hands is a great thing when we go shopping, because we take them off and our hands are clean. Obviously when we're wearing gloves, it puts a consciousness of not to touch our face. Where the face conversation comes in is the face mask. Europe and Asia have been doing that for a long time now, and the States are actually talking about it, so don't be shy. You can use the face mask when you go out in public and your gloves, and you should stay pretty safe, but still don't touch your face. When you take the mask off, you have to take it off appropriately. Same thing with the gloves, know how to take those off. When it comes to your social circles, as Tiff will talk about with the psychology and mental aspects of this crisis here, it's good to be with people, but keep your social circles small, he says. Keep them in a small point to where you know they're hanging out with the same people. So don't go around and spend a lot of time with others. Keep your social circles small. And when it comes to that, inside a closed room is where the main exposure is finding. When it comes to us breathing it in, because that's the main aspect of getting into our lungs. Keep those rooms open and ventilated. Know the people you're staying with. They're finding that a couple-minute session is not so much a threat, but 15 to 20 minutes inside a closed room is where they're finding a lot of the contact can be made. So again, listen to those points, keep yourself healthy and safe, and here's Coach Tiff.
Hi friends, yes, great points to talk about. I want to talk to you guys about mindset and choosing happiness during this time, because it's very challenging. There's a lot of unanswered questions that are out there. And so what I like to tell my clients is to really focus on the things that you can control. So we can control our environment in which we're staying, how we're interacting with our friends and family that we are living with. You know, it can be isolating right now, and we're all in this together. So the best thing you can do is think about, you know, who you can serve, and that's reaching out to people either through FaceTime or a phone call, and just seeing how they're doing makes everyone feel a lot better, knowing that there's someone out there that cares about us. The other thing you want to think about too is if we kind of really get slumped into something very negative and we're getting sucked into the media, this actually boosts or brings down our immune system. And right now we want to make sure that we are keeping that healthy. So being positive is one of those things. So take all these things into consideration, take a couple moments every day and just breathe through it. We're all going to make it through, and we will see you in the next video.
Take care, everybody.